Hi, today we're going to be taking on box review at Transformers Walgreens exclusive Cyber Battalion Autobot Prowl from the Generations. This is supposed to be his G1 version. Now, a couple things that you notice. One, it doesn't have, the old Walgreens exclusive sticker on it. And two, it does not say Cyber Battalion on it. Yet, it is exclusive to Walgreens and it is from their Cyber Battalion line up. So yeah, there's 6 of these to quit. There's a Metatron, which becomes obviously a tank. I would love it if he was his G1 gun mode, but for legal reasons they can't do the G1 gun mode, so they have to do the old G1-ish tank mode. There is Jetfire, which I had not seen that one over at Walgreens, so that was kind of an older one. There is Shockwave, which some people just did a review of Shockwave, so he's kind of the new character. Then there was Sideswipe, which I guess no one else found at their Walgreens, and that I was one of the first to find it. Him, Sideswipe. And then there's Prowl, which, again, I guess I'm the first one to do a review on Cyber Battalion Prowl here. And then there's going to be a Bumblebee. Now the Bumblebee, you're feeling to be the G1, Volkswagen Beetle type of Bumblebee. Nope. Which is kind of weird because, all the other ones are kind of their G1 versions. Nope, they decided to go with the Transformer movie / Transformers REViEW, What Was in the Sky. Not the first What Was in the Sky, the second What Was in the Sky is the one. So, yeah. They decided to do that, which he's kind of a Corvette. Don't know why, the Cyber Battalion line, the majority of them, the G1. That one, no, they skip out. They went all Hollywood Michael Bay on him. Also, again, like I said, you don't see the sticker there or the words, but yes, these are one in 15 butts at Walgreens. Now you can get them on the TF stores, on transformerstores.com. I'll put a link down below in the description there. That's where you can see, all sets, the whole lineup. Although, Shockwave, I don't think they have anymore. They're like out of stock. But yeah. But actual, exclusive to walk into a store, Walgreens. You can't get them at Walmart, Target, Kmart. Nope. Walgreens is the only place. You walk in there, go down Toyota, grab, chow, Lane, hand them the 15 hours, you have it. So yeah. Now this one is a 6-step one, so only 6 steps to transform it. Like I said, this one is very much its G1-ish, so kind of a little bit of Transformers What Was in the Skies. The first Transformers What Was in the Skies, not the new Transformers REViEW whip-off kind of its former self. It's not, led by the B team, the Bumblebee team. Nope, is the old one. And it's not his other incarnations, so it's not like, Transformers the anime, where, he was like a police officer motorcycle ninja, which did not make any freaking sense at all. That was like his worst form. His original, is a police car. It looks pretty cool. His RID form, What Was in the Skies, the old school original one, was actually pretty cool. Where he was one of the 3 brothers. There was Prowl, Cyburn, and Esbron. That one, he was pretty cool and stuff. So yeah, here's his artwork. Now, if we look over here, he does have his kind of a gun on the artwork. But you don't actually get the weapon, which is BS. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, here's his little profile. With the brilliant strategist Prowl making the battle plans, the Autobots can invade any Decepticon battle base. So yeah, there's that. So let's open it up and take a look at it. just a few little snips to undo it, which actually I kind of like how they're doing it nowadays with these quick little tie-down snips versus, you know, years ago where they had twisty ties and stuff, and then from twisty ties they had, oh, you know, the paper ties and stuff, and then they went with lots of Hasbro crazy tape fetish type of deal. Yep. Although some of these parts are getting stuck. What's that? So, yeah. Yeah. Let's kind of move this stuff. So, let's see if we can get it to focus a bit better. So here's kind of what Prowl looks like. Actually, his little V-fin headpiece actually looks pretty garbage. I mean, if we look here, right there, it actually looks way better on the bots than actually our bots. Of course, you know, the artwork's obviously going to look the best, but I mean, right there, that's still some BS. I mean, that looks awesome. Actually, looking at it, disappointing. Very disappointed. Now, this one actually does have a bit of trouble standing up, and it is a bit bat heavy. Compared to Sideswipe, which had no problem standing up, this one actually has a little bit of a bat problem standing up type of deal. Maybe that's because he's not used to be on his feet, because, you know, he's a cop, he sits around all day long. You know, hey, I made that joke because, you know, he's a cop car, and, you know, the only time that he gets exercise is when there's a donut one. Or in his case, the Energon one. Where it's like, hey guys, I just got a call, 509, we gotta pick up some Energon. Oh yeah, and we also gotta bust some Decepticons. Yeah, that too. Yeah. So moving on this one. Arms can rotate. He still has the same Transformer hand syndrome. Well, he's got the shield for a hand, you know, corridor. But you could kind of do, like, hey, let me, I'm kind of doing a shield wave. Because, you know, it's on this weird little sliding joint type of deal. He can bend his hand up like that, down, you know, like that. He can give, you know, the whole two shields, the whole, hey, look at my magic trick. Look, no hands. Oh, wait, there they are. No hands. The invisible double middle finger bird FU type of deal that you could, you know, Sideswipe had. He could also do the whole, you know, hey, I'm going in for a flying clothesline. Oh wait, that's not going to be a flying clothesline. That's actually going to take your head off because it's kind of like a big old flat blade coming in for your head type of deal. And yes, of course, we are still going to make that old joke that we did with Sideswipe. But you know, he's kind of like one of those boxers where they have like those gloves on their hands and they're like, okay, let's see it. White punch, cross punch, left, right, left, you know. Kind of like how you're seeing pretty much basically every, you know, can't even think of the word right now. I want to say a Rocky movie, which is a good, you know, example, but any boxing movie, you always see the trainer, it's like, alright, put him up, tell me what you got, you know, come on, a bit all white, uppercut, counter punch, cross punch, right, left, right, jab, still move, you know, kind of like the old boxing trainer coach type of deal. That's what you can kind of do. Wow, that was actually a pretty... excuse me, that was a strain of my voice right there. Ugh. So yeah, blades can only go actually that far back. Don't know why. I mean, they obviously had a lot more clearance back there, but that's just where they stopped. that far forward due to its little side skirt, which is kind of hard to see because it's black right here. They can actually go out pretty far. Knee bends because transformation, toe bends, transformation. He could do the splits. Why? I don't know, but then again, he was kind of weird in Transformers anime as being a whole ninja cop motorcycle. So, yeah, I guess that kind of makes somewhat sense. I mean, Transformer Kibble and stuff, he's a little hollow on the back of his legs. You probably can't see it too much on camera there, but he is. Which, you know, I guess I could forgive. This whole back piece kind of looks a little weird, like it should either bend down or slot inward, but up front here, yeah, it looks okay-ish, but not as great as Sideswipe did. So to transform this one, which is kind of weird because this one only has 6 steps while Sideswipe had 8 steps, which is kind of weird. Sideswipe 8 steps. Prowl 6, so they cut 2 steps off of Prowl. Wow, okay, so let's go ahead and see it. Oh, just before, they don't really mention what its size is, you know. Like, is it comparison, like to a Leader class, Voyager class, Deluxe class, Deluxe class. So it's a little bit bigger than a Deluxe class. Does it look anything like an MP class? This case, no, it doesn't look like an MP, you know, a Masterpiece class. Just, you know, for size comparison, yeah.